Date with my boyfriend. I just feel so cozy and comfy. Today we get to go see our new house. It's house day! Got our new kitchen. Our new house! We're going to a surprise location. Hello my friends and welcome back to another weekly vlog. This is actually the last weekly vlog in this house pretty much. That's so crazy. If you guys didn't see my vlog from last week, you may not know that we actually got approved for a new house. And if you're really new here, then welcome. I live with my best friend. We're moving house next week. So we got approved on Friday and we get the keys in 2 days, so on Wednesday, which is really exciting. But we're not moving till next week, like next Tuesday, because that's just like the only time that we could actually fit in a day in our schedule where both Georgia and I are free, because I'm going away this weekend and those are usually her 2 days off. So I am really excited to move. I am really sad to be leaving this place, and I'm really sad that this is the last weekly vlog in this house. I get really excited to move. I do quite like change. I think I've realized I adapt quite quickly and easily to change. So I'm excited for a new place and to like put everything in our new kitchen and our new rooms and like organize things. I love that sort of stuff. As for today, I had work this morning. I worked from 5 a.m. till 12 o'clock, came home. Actually, no, I went to the shops on the way home because I had to grab some stuff. Did a bunch of emails, showered, kind of like started my day, had like my morning routine, but at like midday. Washed my clothes, but that's basically it for today. I have family dinner tonight with my family, obviously, and my boyfriend. And then he'll come back to my place after that because we need to figure out some youth stuff for this Friday. So, go team. We're being productive today. That's the plan for this Monday. Hopefully it's a productive Monday. I'm excited for this week. I think it'll be a good one. Hello guys, I'm currently sitting at my desk. I'm about to make a thumbnail for a video, a little haul video that I am doing. It'll definitely be up by the time you guys are seeing this video, but I thought it could potentially be interesting to show you guys how I make a thumbnail. So I actually just work on Procreate on my iPad, so everything of my thumbnails, most of the time at least, is custom. So all of the handwriting, all of the edits, all of the everything. So if you want to know how I make my thumbnails, I'll do a little time-lapse video, like a screen recording kind of deal. I just finished doing the thumbnail for that video and I've attached it to the video, so hopefully I can post that today if it gets approved in time. But I think I want to head out to the shops now. I don't necessarily like need anything today, but I want to have a look to see if I can find what I'm looking for. But if I don't find what I'm looking for, it's okay because I'm not in a rush. Does that make any sense? Good morning guys, it is now Tuesday and I'm actually about to go on a cute little date with my boyfriend. This week is Valentine's Day, but we're both super busy on Valentine's Day and then I'm going away for the weekend, so we're celebrating early. We're going to the cafe that we went to on our very first date in 2015, which is crazy. This is my outfit. It's pretty much a classic, a Rachel classic, just a white dress, denim jacket and some sneakers. But I'm gonna go and I might show you guys a little bit. We'll see how we go. Hello friends, it is a few hours later now. I've just changed into workout clothes, as you can see, because I wanted to be more comfy, and it's kind of cold enough today to be able to wear tights, which is so nice. I love wearing leggings. Like, I just feel so cozy and comfy. But I'm about to make myself some lunch. I think I'm gonna make some avocado toast. The rest of today will probably be a home day. I just have a lot of computer work to do, which will be very nice to like sit at home on a cozy rainy day. I'm really sad though because when Georgia makes my coffee, she makes it so much better than I make it, and I don't know how or why because she literally taught me how to make it, and I think I do it the exact same as she tells me to, but I guess not. She is a barista, so like obviously she should be better at it than me, but I should have bought more milk today. I totally forgot. I will. little update. We do get the keys to our house tomorrow, but we're not going to be like going and checking it out until Thursday because George and I want to go for the first time together, and tomorrow she's working 7:30 to 2:30 and I'm working 2:30 to 7. So there's literally no time we can go together tomorrow, so we'll go on Thursday. But I am gonna start kind of packing. Not really, but kind of. What I wanna do is go through my part of the pantry and just declutter it. So these bottom 2 shelves are mine, these top 2 shelves are George's, and I just wanna go through and make sure that everything in there is still in date or get rid of anything that I need to get rid of. And obviously wash out any containers or jars that don't need to be used anymore. So, let's go. So this is now what my pantry looks like. I just kept all the stuff that's still in date and is all good. And then, yeah, that's it pretty much. Cleaned out everything else. Now I just have to do all the dishes. Love that for me. Now I'm just gonna go through a few of our cabinets and drawers and stuff in our kitchen and just kind of declutter anything that I don't think we use and kind of put a box together to either donate or do whatever I need to do with them depending on how good the quality of them is. I don't think we really have to declutter too much. We use pretty much everything we have in the kitchen, but I think it will be helpful just to know exactly what we have and organize everything so it's easier to move. It's now 5 p.m. and I just set a new video live, so I'm gonna sit and reply to comments for a little while. Yay! So that is all set, and now I just need to post this photo that I have all ready to go that just tells you guys that I just posted a new video. Then I need to post some stories telling you guys that I posted a new video. So my camera died when I was filming that last clip, but it's only been like half an hour since I filmed that. I just took off my makeup and I'm about to go for a walk. I just really feel like getting outside and getting some fresh air. Sometimes I just get so sick of being inside because I sit at home at my desk for so much of the day, and I'm so grateful to be able to do a lot of work from home, but it is nice to get outside. So I'm gonna go probably listen to a podcast and just go for a walk, and then I need to figure out something for dinner. I'm trying not to buy a lot of groceries before we move because it's just gonna be annoying to transfer them, and I'm going away this weekend, so either I need to go out and buy something or I'll see what I can make with the groceries in my fridge. Breakfast and lunch is okay. They're pretty simple meals for me, so that's gonna be fine. It's just dinner, so I need to work that out. Hello friends, it is a lot later now. It is after 11 p.m. and I just had this burst of energy. I'm definitely one of those people who like gets in cleaning moods or productive moods or whatever and just like has to get stuff done, and I'm usually in bed by like 9:30, 10, and tonight I was like, no, I just need to pack. So I started packing, didn't film, I was just in the zone, wanted to get it done. But I think I really should go to bed very soon because it is past 11. But this is all the stuff I've packed so far. I've used a lot of these little crates, which I'm just borrowing. They're just milk crates and they're just a lot easier to carry than boxes, and they're a really good size for someone who is weak like me. Then I just have some other boxes. A lot of this stuff is just kitchen stuff, and then also accessories that we film with and use to shoot photos. So we have a lot of glassware wrapped up in towels and stuff. Honestly, it's a very short move, like we're not moving far away, so they're not going to be sitting in our car, and we're also going to be taking these in our car, not a moving truck. But got those, got this huge bag. This has been such a handy bag. It was like a Christmas present bag, but this is full of linen and bedding and random stuff like that. And then I have a couple of little Coles bags with containers, and then this one filled with decor. So the kitchen is starting to look a little bit bare. This little pile here is all to donate to a charity store. This drawer underneath here has been mostly emptied. This one in here has a bunch of stuff because we do still need to use some things. And then I almost completely emptied this cupboard. All this stuff is packed except for, you know, our coffee mugs. This shelving is all gone. You saw me declutter those drawers. I started going through this little section, haven't finished yet. And then I also packed away all of the decor that was on these shelves, and I'm just putting my plants there for now, just until we move, because they'll all have to be taken away from their normal spots anyway. So this whole hallway is just stuff to take over to the new place. We get the keys tomorrow, but I think I've mentioned that we're not going till Thursday, but all of this stuff is ready to take over as soon as it hits Thursday. But I'm gonna try and head to bed. I'm actually not that tired at all, but I just know that I need to sleep. And I can resume packing in the morning. Good morning, guys. I am so excited. It honestly feels like Christmas morning because today we get to go see our new house. I'm so excited. So I've been up for a couple of hours now. It's like 8 a.m. George is still either asleep or just in her room doing stuff. I don't really know if she's asleep. I feel like she shouldn't be because it's like 8 a.m. and she's not really someone to sleep in very often. I don't know. Should we go wake her up? It's house day! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Did I wake you up? No? Okay, good. I was like, she won't be asleep still. Is your battery flashing good? Yes. Are you sure? I didn't know! Are you so excited? Mm-hmm. It's 8 a.m.
Is it really?
Yeah, that's why I came in. I wouldn't have come in if it was. Oh my god! The car is now full of our first load of stuff. We're taking it over and we're going to visit the house for the first time. Let's go! Oh my goodness! It smells new. Wow! Our new house. Got our new kitchen. I've never lived in a 2-story house. I wonder if our legs will get sore.
A big shower.
That is actually quite a large shower. I didn't remember that. Our new house! This is annoying me. Why are they all left on? Isn't that a safety hazard? Oh.
Even that's still a big shower.
How do I look? Spying on the neighbors. This is huge too though. Like I forgot that it was 3. That's like a full wall. That makes the room feel huge too.
Yeah, it does. I don't even need my big mirror in here.
And this is our office. Obviously a much smaller room, but I feel like it honestly is like the size of a study, even though it's a 3rd bedroom. But it would be so nice to have some extra closet space for storage as well. Some marks on the wall. When you're renting, gotta pay attention to these things, guys. Like this, tiny little scuff. Gotta take a photo of it. What the heck? And that's the upstairs. So we're now working on our entry report. I'm sorry if it's super echoey in here, but basically if you haven't rented before, an entry report is just this huge thing of paper that goes through every single room in the house, every single cupboard, every single drawer, every single wall, every single door, every single window, and says if there's any marks on there, if anything isn't working properly, just literally anything like that. And you have to go through and basically sign that what they said is correct. And this is a really important thing when you move in, because if there is anything that they haven't noticed that is wrong, and then you sign saying it's all good, when you move out, if that thing is still like wrong or broken, then it falls on you because you said it was fine. One of the biggest things I would say is when you're in your kitchen, check your bench tops because they are hella expensive to replace if there is anything that goes wrong with them. So we've got these bench tops here, and what I would suggest doing is running your hand along the entire bench top and seeing if there are any indents, any cuts in the bench top, anything like that, because that is so expensive to fix. So for example, I don't know if you can even see it, but there's a few tiny little cuts in this bench top, right? And I've taken photos of those because in the entry report, they have said that there's no marks and no indents or anything, which is wrong because there are these things here. And if we moved out and left these behind, they would probably charge us like hundreds of dollars to fix this because you can't just replace one part of a bench top, you have to replace like the whole thing. Hello friends, it is now a lot later. It's actually like 2 p.m. I've now finished unpacking the first load of stuff, like all the stuff that I brought over. All the crates are empty, all the boxes are empty. I know it was only 1 load, but I am gonna head home now. I don't know what the time is. It is 2:15. I'm gonna go home and just like figure out what else I need to get done today, and if I have enough time, I'll keep moving stuff, but if I have other stuff that I need to get done, I'll do that instead. I sat at home and edited a video. I just drove to my parents' house so that I could upload that video because their internet's way faster than the one that we have at home. But now I need to go to the shops to grab some materials for youth tomorrow. So I need to go to like a random like $2 shop or something, and I also need to go to Costco. So that's the plan, and then I'm gonna come back here when my video is finished uploading and then head home and probably do some packing. Next up, Costco. Look at the price of these fiddle leaves. Did I just get one? Definitely. I definitely just did. Good morning guys, it is Saturday today. It's like 9:15 and I'm heading over to my parents' house because I'm actually going away with my mum for the weekend. So this is a little trip that we've decided to start doing every year. We've only done it once before, so this will be our second year doing it. One year for her birthday, I gave her like a beach trip and we went away and I surprised her and like took her to an Airbnb and it was so much fun. And so this year, she's doing that for me. So she's planned a trip. I don't know where we're going. I know it's somewhere kind of beachy and we're just gonna enjoy the weekend together. And I thought I would vlog it. I didn't vlog it last year, but I'll try this year. I'll see if I get many clips because I feel like I'm just so caught up in enjoying it that I don't want to be on my phone the whole time. We'll see. Say hello, Mum.
Hello. So, have you guessed?
We're going to a surprise location. I assume it's somewhere beachy. I only guessed this because my boyfriend suggested it. Is it Stradbroke Island?
No, and I thought that would be the island you guessed. No, it's not Stradbroke.
Is
Do you
it
know
Bribey?
any other islands? No, it's not Bribey.
I don't know any others.
We have to catch a ferry.
Do we actually?
Yes.
In the car? Or
Yes.
like, where are we going?
Cuchimudlo Island.
I've never even heard of that.
Haven't you?
No. I'm excited though.
Only 5 kilometres round. So it'll
Alright,
be
well,
fun.
we'll update you guys later, but we're on our way.
See ya.
Hello friends, it is a couple hours later now and we checked into our Airbnb and then went for a walk around the island a little bit, not the whole way around, and just had some lunch. Was it good, Mum?
Yes, lovely.
It was really nice. We just
Red
went
Rock
to a
Cafe.
yeah, Red Rock Cafe. It was really good. And now we've just decided to come for a little walk. The lighting is really not doing it for me. We're searching for a little lookout that there is apparently, so we'll see how that is. So this is Gypsy. This is the Airbnb dog. Hello. She's very confused, very nervous. Hello my friends, I am now home. It is Sunday afternoon and I'm literally just about to head off to church. I've been home for like half an hour and I'm running off, but I had the best weekend with my mum. It was so much fun and now I'm gonna go to church and have a great Sunday night with all my friends.